This video will show you how to edit the roof of your house. There are many different options available, including hip, gable, Dutch gable, gambrel, and more. Select the house you would like to edit, and then scroll all the way down to Edit Roof Type, which you will find under the Roof tab. Click the wall underneath the section of roof you want to change. This will cycle through the different roof styles. Here, you can edit the roof pitch or manually enter. When creating Dutch gable and half-hip roofs, the upper offset determines where the roof style changes. To create mansard and gambrel roofs, click Add Upper Pitch. You can then set the pitch and offset for the upper part using these controls. Adjust the overhang here. Here are just a few examples of roof styles you can create. The software includes a design called Sample House Styles, which includes even more examples. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out ideaspectrum.com for more videos and information about our software.